This is what we got last night, guys. We got at least about 8 inches of snow. I mean, 8 inches at least, right?
Probably 3 to 6.
3 to 6 inches. Yeah.
Safety. Wow, it's actually laid down salt. That's a miracle.
Yeah.
Canton don't like to use salt at all on their roads.
Yeah. Well, at least they're working on him.
Haha, that's the way to plow right there.
Yeah, there you go.
Big old tractor.
Let's see if anybody crashed yet. Like I said, I saw a car yesterday flipped over. I couldn't videotape because I had to concentrate more on the road because it was getting bad. Part 2. Yeah, you can't help because of the drifts. That's why they can't keep them cleared. See how bad the roads are? Wow. Wait until we get on the next 30. See if Lowry's was open? No.
Could be closed at 1 hour, I suppose. Sunday, they close at 2.
Not really. I saw them open at about maybe 6. But I bet you those lady wants to go home because of the bad weather and stuff. No, they're not wimps. Trust me. It is dangerous out here right now. Wow. Man, they got so much to rub off Monday morning. You're going to see a lot of them tomorrow. Hell yeah. Look at that pile. I mean, we don't have to stop at this light, guys. Do we?
No.
Try not to get this guy's
You
license plate.
can turn on red, it's not stated.
Maybe she feels safe at the light, though. You know, I don't blame her. I mean, right now she's got the... It's slick. Whee! Yeah. Here you go, boy. And he's the one driving.
These things in the wintertime.
He's driving. He's the car guy here, and the truck driver. He could drive anything with wheels. He is. He's the one that can drive with anything with wheels. Stick, automatics, 10 speeds, 18.
Difference from the 13 and the 18, you split the lower range and the 18 speed. So
You got a lot of scraping to do too off your truck, don't you?
I'm out overnight. Once I get it fired up and get it up to temperature.
Well, you got scraping it up to do this evening.
Well, that's it, Jordan. I climb around that thing.
Were you going to sleep at the truck?
Yeah.
Oh.
All
Okay.
night. I know that.
Well, I thought you were going to the North Canton truck stop.
It's too full.
It's always full. Yeah, it is. Go. Look at the roads, guys.
The guy behind me saying back a little bit when I got a little squirrel. Like, it's a caution, it's got to lose it. Yep. So you start the roll car.
Probably saying you're an idiot or something. I don't know.
You can. I can stop him on the road, put it in park, put this in auto 4-wheel drive, hammer the gas once, it kicks it in, and not have an issue. You just gotta know how to control your vehicle. Kicks left, you steer left. Kicks right, you steer right. Treat it like a damn skid. Steer into the skid. That's how you control it. He also knows I'm not in four-wheel drive either.
We're at 17 degrees here.
That's what the vehicle is.
I have noticed the wind change too. Slowed down a little bit. Yeah, because it was worse than this on the way up. I got that on video also. Go to the next video. The last video. You'll see how bad it was. Sorry the video's bouncy is because of the snow is making it bumpy. Can't hold it still much better.
Did you unplug it?
No, I did not. I didn't even touch nothing.
Duffels in my hands.
You ever get some 2 parts, I can fix the issue.
What 2 parts do you need?
Motor, wheel.
Okay, well, I got to put some more money on my account, too.
I didn't get no parts. It's up to you for 1 year or so.
Right. But I'm a little low on my account.
Unless you be getting more stuff out of your account.
I have to pay to put more stuff on my account. It's not like Pat Young's anymore. Because they're retarded. I'm sorry. My company's retarded. Don't care about the employees. Sorry about that, guys. You guys didn't need to hear that.
That's the truth. Our company is retarded.
It is retarded. It's like, what is a raise?
We have to cut your hours because
Oh, yeah.
we can't.
Because
afford
they're
it.
worried about numbers. They're not worried about employees and families and stuff like that.
Quit buying all these places, then you won't have to worry about damn
Exactly. And stop worrying about, keep the ones that you got. Make them more happy. I mean, I'm making $9, okay? I should be making $12 an hour right now. But no, we can't do that. It's like, okay, whatever.
numbers. I guarantee you probably make
What's a
more
pension?
at AutoZone or O'Reilly's with where you're at. Because with your experience in parts, them type of companies will pay you the money just to get you.
Oh, I know. I'll be making $10 an hour instead of 9.
Yeah.
My company, my work just, I don't know.
You still have to take work. It's like
No, I got to take you to work. Well, actually, you take yourself to work. I just drive back home. I'm just there for the ride. That's all I am. I just take this thing back to home. Wow, we don't have a lot of.
a little fast there, buddy. A little
Yeah.
sideways going too fast.
Oh, we gotta stop her. Oh,
Good
she's
turn.
turning. Yep, she's turning. She's turning. Jay,
She's got an all-wheel drive.
that's what your daughter's got.
No. The Equinox she's driving is not all-wheel drive. It's just fine. She's got an Equinox, but that's an all-wheel drive one.
Yes, I feel better now. I got something to eat. Oh, it's not bad right here. They must have came and plowed. Watch out! You did not just kill that bird.
No, the bird flew away.
Oh my God. Did you guys see that? He was killing a bird.
Stupid ass landed there. jam on my brakes for no fucking bird.
I know, right?
It's fair game out here on the fucking road.
Yeah, it is.
Unless it's a fucking deer or a cow or a fucking horse. Dog, I may try to swerve out of the way.
Oh, there you go.
That's a side by side.
Well, at least he's plowing. He's in the road too, man.
He's trying to plow the foot of his driveway so he can get out.
I don't blame him.
Because the damn plows plow it in.
Yeah, I know. That's why I wouldn't live by the street like that.
We do live by the street.
I meant I would like to sit further back.
You still got to plow out the end of your driveway. It dumps on the road.
Yeah. This is our snowstorm from last night. 3 to 6 inches of snow.
Yeah, you know, it's not snowing here, but it's snowing in Canada.
Oh, it's coming.
It's coming this way. It's slow.
It's coming. It is coming.
There's a truck underneath that Claps building.
Oh, yeah?
Truck's destroyed both sides of there.
You're going to see a lot of plowing. Church right there. Look at the fields and stuff. Wow. Just making it safe. Yeah, ours is too narrow just to, our driveway's just too narrow to plow. We make our own trails. Yeah, hello.
You're going to shovel, you overdo yourself because you end up in the hospital. Or people have died shoveling on their fucking driveways and stuff.
Yeah. This hill is the dangerous one out of them all on this road right here is this one. I see a lot of people crashed and slide and I'll show you. This
A
is
lot of
why.
people slide and crash because you're too stupid. They think you can run 65, 70 miles an hour on this shit. You can't.
Oh, before I take you back to the truck, I gotta get gas.
Climb out now. It's far
Oh,
down the tank.
stop. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to shut this down. If you guys like this video, please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Please share these videos. Please share your videos and tell your friends about me, and you guys have a wonderful day. If you are now in the snowstorm, please stay in. I have to warn you. So you guys take care and have a wonderful day. Later.